area of triangle formed by 3 points. A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2, and C x3 comma y3. Okay, how to find the area? There are different methods to find the area. There is a determinant method, and there is a we know area of the triangle. I'll not go into proof of this. This you can prove by using altitude, slopes. After you do, you can use you can prove this formula. That's not a difficult one. The way to do is you write half. The simplest way to find area of the triangle is you write half, and this is a modulus. Write the first point x1 y1, the second point x2 y2, the third point x3 y3, and again come back to the first point x1 y1. Okay, now how do you find the area? You do multiplication in this manner, from top left to bottom right. You multiply these two terms, it is positive, and multiply bottom left to top right as negative. So you get half. Take a modulus because area will always be positive, x1 y2. I'm sorry, I'll write it in yellow. Half, this is x1 y2 minus y1 x2 or x2 y1. So this top left to bottom right, this downward arrow is positive, this is negative. So this product minus this product. Again go to the next, add this, this will be positive, this product will be negative. So again add that, x2 y3 minus x3 y2, and again the last term x3 y1 and x1 y3. So plus x3 y1 minus x1 y3. This, by this formula you get the area of the triangle. Now another simplistic way of writing this is you take x1 common. If I take x1 common, I get y2 minus y3. This is the x1 term. So I get x1 into y2 minus y3. Then take x2 common, plus x2. Then I get y3 minus y1 plus. Then I take x3 common. I get y1 minus y2. Okay, so this is easy to remember. X1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. If you see 1, 2, 3 in cyclic order, after 1 comes 2, after 2 comes 3, after 3 comes 1. If you look that way, now you see first term is x1 into y2 minus y3. The next two terms you have to do it in cyclic order. After 1 comes 2. So instead of x1 you have x2. Go inside the bracket. After 2 comes 3. So instead of y2 you have next expression as y3. And instead of y3, after 3 comes 1. So instead of this y3 it is y1. So x1 into y2 minus y3 goes cyclically. Then x2 into y3 minus y1 plus again x3, the next term in cyclic order. Then again cyclically, after 3 comes 1, after 1 comes 2. So you can either remember this way or this way. My suggestion is remember this way. It is the easiest. Another way to do it is by determinants. So we have not learned determinants, but at some point of time I'll have to teach you determinant because we have to use determinant. But as of now, this much is sufficient to find the area of the triangle. So now I'll give you a problem for area. With that, we'll stop for today. So find the area of the triangle formed by 3 points. A, let's say A is 3, 0. B is minus 1, 5, and C is 6, 7. All right, A, B, C. So please quickly find out using this problem, this result. Do it this way. Again, write down A is 3, 0, B is minus 1, 5, C is 6, 7. Use this result to find the area. This is easiest method to find the area. Okay, someone has said 43 by 2. Let us check. So downward arrow positive, upward arrow negative, downward arrow positive, upward arrow negative, downward arrow positive, upward arrow negative. So let us do this. Half of modulus of 3 into 5, 15, minus 0 into minus 1 is 0, plus minus 1 into 7 is minus 7, then minus 5 into 6, 30, plus 6 into 0 is 6, minus 7 into 3 is 21. So now when you calculate, you get plus 15 and minus 30 becomes minus 15. Now you have minus 15 minus 7 is minus 22. Minus 22 minus 21 is minus 43. But remember, it is modulus because area cannot be negative. So you get 43 by 2 square units. All right, it is square. Find the area of triangle formed by A 2, 0, B 5, 0, and C 6, 3 comma minus 4. So I'll open the chat. I want students to give me an answer to this. 6 square units, Harshit. Yeah, answer is right. How did you calculate, Harshit? Using formula? You can unmute yourself. Yeah, it's just 6. How did you calculate? Yeah, using the formula. Now, I want to bring, now we can use formula, but we have to be thoughtful. I'll tell you, using formula, area of triangle ABC, just a second. Area of triangle ABC using formula is half 2 0 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 and then again x1 y1. You can do and then do the multiplications and algebraic additions this way. So you get half modulus of 2 into 0 0 minus 0 5 into 0 then plus 5 into minus 4 minus 20 minus 0 into 3 0 plus 3 into 0 0 minus 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Got it? All right. Sorry, 3 into 0 is 0. So we get modulus of minus 20 plus 8, which is minus 12. With removing the modulus, you will get, meaning applying the modulus, you will get 12. You get 6 square units. Now, there's a much easy way to do this one. Very easy way to do it. Just see this. If you can conceive what you are doing, we should use the formulas very thoughtfully. See this. Now, what were the 2 points? A. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now, A, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is X, this is Y. Now, point A was 2, 0. This is the point A. Point B was 5, 0. And point C was 3, minus 4. So, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. So 3, minus 4. 3 units on X, 4 units downwards on Y. This is your point C. 3, minus 4. Now I can draw a, sorry. I can draw a triangle joining A, B and C. Okay. All right. Now this is a triangle joining ABC, and what is the once you draw the triangle, this is on the x-axis, right? So this is your base, this is your height of the triangle. You can simply do, what is the length of the base, the distance between A and B. A is at 2, B is at 5. So distance between A and B is 3 units. And this is your height. This is perpendicular, isn't it? So this is height. What is the height? 4 units. Isn't it? This height is 4 units. So directly half base into height. It will give me 6 square units. So I did not even do any calculation. Okay, and it is not that I pre-planned this question, I solved it. It is just I wrote the question. But as soon as Harshit said it is 6 square units, I said it is right answer. How? Because I did this calculation mentally. Because I know that A and B are lying on the x-axis. So this can be taken as the base. Then the y coordinate of C becomes the height because it's in the base. So half base into height. So this is another way to do it. So especially when you solve in competitive exam bits, you will waste time doing formula, but mentally if you calculate, you can do it very fast. Okay, so this is one approach. Another second example 3. Okay, again find area. Find the area of triangle A formed by 3 points. 0, 3. B is 0, -4, and C is 4, I'll say 4, 1. Yeah. Answer, Harshit, there is 14 square units. 14 square units. So again, you can use the formula. I will leave it to you to use the formula. But okay, let's plot in the graph. Okay, simple way. So again, let's plot in the graph. So you have 3 points. A is 0, 3. 1, 2, 3. 0, 3. This is the point A. Then B is 0, -4. -1, -2, -3, -4. So B is 0, -4. This is the origin. And C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So C is here, 4, 1. I'm joining A, C, and BC. Yeah. So what is the height? Height is this distance. What is that distance? It is the x coordinate of C. X coordinate of C is 4. So half base into height, you will get 14 square units. 7 into 2, you will get 14 square units. So without doing the formula. So now based on this, we can write standard result. So now you tell me, if A is A comma 0, B is B comma 0, and C is H comma K. What is area of triangle ABC? Yes, both are
Oh,
zeros. So both are points lying on the x-axis.
so then it is k into a plus b upon 2 whole, a plus b whole.
Not A plus B. Okay, it is this half modulus of A minus B or B minus A. Doesn't make a difference because you are taking modulus.
Okay, yes, sir.
Half A minus B into K. All right, because again, go back to this. So A is, let's say, a point here, B is a point here, C is a point here, H comma K. So in this triangle, base is this distance AB. Distance AB is difference between uh, the 2 points. So it is A minus B. Modulus of A minus B or B minus A is the same. And height is this height. This is, what is this? The y coordinate. So if A is A comma 0, B is 0 comma B, C is H comma K, directly area of the triangle is half A minus B times K. When you take modulus, it takes care of the signs. All right. Now, similarly, you tell me this one. If A is 0 comma A, B is 0 comma B, and C is H comma K, what will be the area of triangle?
Half of modulus of h of a minus b.
Very good. Very good. Who answered? What's your name?
Mahita sir.
Mahita. Yeah. Good. Half of A minus B times H. Okay. So it is simple here. I'll show. So this is your x, this is y. So this is point A comma 0. This is point B comma, sorry, 0 comma A, 0 comma B. And this is point C, H comma K. So this distance is B minus A or modulus of A minus B. It will be the same thing. And what is the height of this triangle? Base is AB. Height of this triangle will be H. Okay. So half of A minus B times H. So this is the formula. Now one more. So these are important results. If O is the origin, A is A comma 0, and B is 0 comma B. What is area of triangle OAB? Sorry, this is origin. This is the point.
b by 2 sir.
This is the point A comma 0. This is the point 0 comma B. What is this? This is a right angled triangle, isn't it? In a right angled triangle, if OA is the base, OB will be the height, isn't it? So what is the area? Half base is A, height is B. You have to take a modulus because it can be in the other quadrants also. Okay. So You got this right? So we need to solve like this very thoughtfully. It is not that just use blind formula. If you have a visualization of the problem, you will solve very quickly. Another one. Now you tell me based on this, you should solve fast. See, A is A comma 0. B is 0 comma B. And C is A comma B. Then area of triangle ABC. Answer is right. Answer for this is again half AB. We take a modulus. Answer is again half AB. See here, the same previous figure. Now instead of O, you have a point C, which is A comma B. So C will be exactly above A and exactly to the right of B. So this will be the triangle. This is the, if you draw a square, this and this will be equal. So other way of saying is this triangle ABC. All right. This is a right angle triangle. So base will be, either you take this as the base or this as the base. If you take this as the base, this length will be A. I'll mark with other color. And this will be B. So again, half AB will be the answer. Okay. So this is how we should solve problems. Use formula, but also use your logic. This is the standard formula, what I gave here. This formula, if you are in doubt, use this. You will get exact answer. Don't change the sequence. You will you will get a wrong answer in addition. After that, problems like this, you have to be thoughtful. You have to visualize where the points are plotted so that you will get an idea. Okay, next we'll move on to you know, based on the properties of based on just this distance formula, ABC, let us say ABC is known. Can we identify which kind of triangle it is? So let's say, so further properties of triangle using coordinate geometry. Using coordinate geometry. Now if A is x1 comma y1, B is x2 comma y2, and C is x3 comma y3. Okay, then the first point, first property, when will this be an equilateral triangle? When will this be an equilateral triangle? Answer, very simple. People can turn on their mics to answer this, it will be easier. When will this be an equilateral triangle ABC? Very simple.
When x1 comma y1 is equal to x2 comma y2 and the distance are equal.
When distances are equal, that is,
Yeah.
AB is equal to BC
equal to C.
C.
Whatever.
Okay. Okay. A, B, C. AB equal to BC equal to CA. All right. Next. When will ABC be an isosceles triangle? When will ABC be an isosceles triangle? Answer. I'm going through this geometry basics because again in straight lines we'll have to deal with all these.
AB is equal to BC, non-equal to AB.
Okay. So again AB equal to BC and not equal to CA. All right. Or that means two sides are equal. Either AB equal to AC. No, sorry. AB equal to BC or AB equal to BC or AB can be equal to AC. Or CA is equal to CB. See from this. So any two sides should be equal. So when you write distances, when you observe the distances, write down the distance formula, calculate AB, BC, CA, and see if any two two lengths are equal, two distances are equal, then it will form an isosceles triangle.
Excuse me, sir. Can you scroll up a bit for a sec?
Next. Now, when will ABC be a right angled triangle? When will this be a right angled triangle? What is the property of distances and of lengths of triangle?
So when AB, the square root of the AB square plus AC square is equal to BC.
Okay.
The
So Pythagoras theorem. So here in this case, if AB square plus BC square is equal to, sorry, AB square plus CA square in this particular case. If AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. Or it can be other way also. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. All right. In this case, B will be the angle. In this case, angle A is 90 degrees. In this case, angle B is 90 degrees. Or angle C. So BC square plus CA square is equal to AB square. In this case, angle C will be 90 degrees. Now, one more important result with triangles, then we'll go on to the quadrilaterals. Another important result is if D, E, and F are midpoints of BC, CA, and AB. Okay, then let's look at this. I'm closing the chat box for a while. So let's look at this triangle now. Okay. So this is A, B, C. And you have on BC, midpoint of BC is D. Midpoint of CA is E. And midpoint of AB is F. Okay. Now join these triangles. These midpoints. All right. Now you form 4 triangles. Interestingly, you form 4 triangles. What are they? You form AEF. This is one triangle. This is the first triangle. This is second triangle, third triangle, fourth triangle. And you can show that all these 4 triangles are of equal area, and they will totally sum up to this triangle. Okay, how you can do that? You can do that, you observe this. One important result is EF. Okay, EF will be half BC. All right, because it's midpoint. You can take similar triangles. I'll leave it to you to solve this. Take similar triangles. AF by AB will be equal to EF by BC. By similar triangles property, you will get that if this is half the length of AB, this will be half the length of BC. So this will be DE will be half the length of AB, and DF will be half the length of AC. So it will be like that. Okay. So when that is the case, so this is a triangle. This DEF is a triangle whose lengths are half the lengths of the triangle, original triangle ABC. So it turns out that the areas will be 1/4 of the total. So this is the important result. So area delta of triangle ABC, sorry, not ABC, area of triangle AEF will be equal to area of triangle BDF is equal to area of triangle CDE is equal to area of triangle DEF, and each will be equal to 1/4 times area of triangle ABC. This is an important result.